Don't mind you looking, cause she mine, girl. She for me. Fall off, she gon' hold it down. Please believe. Firearm, we roll around.
It's your boy D-Tech World, back with another video. What's going on, y'all? So today, doing a video on these Galaxy Buds. Finally just got them in today. I was one of the ones that had pre-ordered my phone when the S10 Plus came out, and they ran out. So Samsung hooked you up with a like an Eve Ultra with $130. I think the same price as these. I think like $129. I want to say, but anyway, they hook you up with those, and you can actually buy anything you want on Samsung website or the app. But unfortunately, they know what they did. You still kind of forced to get these, or the only other thing, honestly, like if you wasn't trying to put money with it, with the $130, you can get these. You can get the wireless charger that they have, a couple of watch bands, which was like $30, which you can get some of them on Amazon cheaper than that. I can get about probably like 3 for that same price for $30. And then like the regular like Samsung earbuds, which is these right here, which is like $30. What's it? Yeah, those right here. So, and it had like red, blue, I think white on there. So really wasn't nothing too crazy, like too cheap on there that you can really buy with $130. You still end up paying something with it, at least another $100 if you wanted to get something else. But I mean, which is not bad if you got extra money and you want to get something else. I really didn't want to get anything else. So hold on, let me fix this light. All right, I'm back. Had to fix that light, kept changing. But yeah, so I just got these, and I don't know what's going on with their website. I'm not sure if they got too many people trying to get these. When I was going to go ahead and get them, because I was going back and forth, I was like, okay, I don't know what to get, either this or the wireless charger. So I was like, okay, well, let me go ahead and get these, because these right here started going out, and I don't know why. They go in and out. The Bluetooth connection drop every while. I'll be talking, and then it just lose connection. Then it'll come back sometimes, then lose connection again. I don't know. So I was like, well, that's my answer. Let me go ahead and cop these and see what these are. I heard they're pretty good, pretty awesome. I need some more, because I don't like having my Beats with me sometimes I'm in the gym. These want to be in my workout headphones. That went to the Beats, and then now I really don't want to have the Beats all the time. So anyway, let's get back to what y'all came in for. Galaxy Buds, got the white, so it can match with the match with my phone. Let's see, got 6 hours playtime, 7 hours with charging case. You get clear call and sound quality, wireless charging, designed for comfort and stability. Samsung Galaxy Buds, true wireless earbuds, 6 hours playtime, yada yada. Bluetooth. It's by AKG. I still want to get one of their headsets. See how they sound. Packaging, you get the left and right earbud, charging case, wingtip 3 sets, earbud tip 3 sets, USB-C, and a quick start guide, which I never read. Incredible, yada 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 yada. And also, Apple users, go ahead and drop down them AirPods 1 and 2. Come get you one of these. I heard them iPad the second one suck anyway, so come get y'all these, because you can use them. Come on over. Alright. Let me get my Batman knife and unbox this baby. Alright, back, y'all. Y'all haven't seen my knife? This is right here. Sexy baby right here. Sexy Smith & Wesson. It's a knife, seatbelt cutter, and a window breaker. I think I paid like $40, $50 for this. Nice heavy duty too. Yeah. There we go. Oh, look at that. It's in a good spot because I don't use it. I ain't gonna never read it. Let's see what we got here. Work with one hand, y'all, so just bear with me. Oh, this is nice. This is nice. I like this. This is clean. This is clean, y'all. Nice white. I could say it's probably gonna get dirty though. Make sure I keep this and somewhere wiped down and clean, which is gonna be hard, I know. Let's see what we got in here. This is probably the wingtips and USB. Yeah, you got your USB. It look pretty long. Cable look long. Okay. Oh, okay. I'm not gonna really go into that. I mean, this is a USB cable and some tips. So, this look longer than the phone cable. Well, they're probably the same size. But anyway, USB-C. You got your ear tips. It's white. This is holy crap. This is crazy. Oh, look at this. This is crazy. Oh my God. It's small. That's crazy. Okay, one hand test. Okay, got the one hand test on lock. There we go. I'm gonna do a full review. Do a full review on it. Probably do a 1 day full review, see how it is. I'm actually going to the gym tomorrow. Perfect time to test these out. So just gonna wait till then and be surprised. And be surprised. Damn, man, they're a lot small. So if you do got that prison white, it actually one hand struggles. The inside actually kind of matched. That's why I wanted to, get that prison white, be clean. And I'm also supposed to get the white band too in half. So when I'm going out, when I'm in my thought mode, I'll be matching and whatnot, and I can show off and show out. So that's nice. Nice hard magnet. Okay. Man. I don't know. I like the texture. I kind of like how this feel, but not as big. I like the size of this, but I really don't like the texture too much. I don't know. Like, this kind of, to me, like, it's more premium heavy duty, if that makes sense. Versus, like, this, it's kind of a little tad bit lighter. You can tell the difference. But it ain't no deal breaker for me or anything like that. I think I'm gonna love these. This is perfect for me. Oh yeah. All right, well, this is it. Samsung Galaxy Buds, the new ones. Got the white one, matched my phone, white prism. I'm gonna do a review probably tomorrow on it. Get that uploaded. Going to the gym, do a couple of tests. Moving around, be running some, see how easy it is to stay in my ear. Test this out. Now they did say once you pop this open, it automatically pairs with your phone and whatnot. So I'm gonna see how true it is, see how fast it works. Other than that, comment below, like, share my video. I got more coming to you soon, baby. D-Tech, where I'm out. Peace.
Don't mind you looking, cause she mine, girl. She for me. Fall off.